Oh my gosh, does it have like a drive-through where you drop people off at a ballroom? Hello.
Hi, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you too. Hi. How are ya? Love the bow tie.
Oh.
Yes.
You guys are ready to go.
Tired.
That's his favorite look. It's a big project, and I feel like I don't know how to make all those decisions, and now we're kind of stuck.
What about these? Do you like these? How this is like the stucco is built out?
The stucco, yeah, it's kind of.
This house was built, what, mid-90s?
Yeah.
Yeah. So kind of dates it a little bit, where maybe if we filled some of that in
Make it
and
clean, like
just
straight
clean it up a
lines.
little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be great to do something in here, maybe like skim the ceiling with wood, just so that this feels like a warm welcome.
I love that. I think that would look amazing.
Okay. And then what about the front door?
Yeah, I think even if something that maybe could let some more light in
Okay.
might be cool.
I love that too. Okay, perfect. Plan out here is to freshen everything up. We'll update the landscaping, we'll update the front door, potentially skim the ceiling of the portico with wood. And if we can, we'd love to fill in the holes in the stucco on the columns.
Love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very unique.
Yeah, so
This
our
is a grand entry.
Yeah, we love the arches and just
Wow.
one of the things we told our realtor was that we didn't want a cookie cutter house.
When I walked in and I seen that space, I was just really blown away by just the magnitude of it. So this is our dancing room.
So what kind of dancing?
All dancing.
All dancing.
Wow.
Okay.
Anything with a beat.
Okay.
I love that.
yeah.
For the project overall, what are you guys planning to spend?
So we're thinking about 185.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
We love the fireplace.
Okay.
I mean, we don't love the way it looks.
Okay, so keep the fireplace, but refresh it.
What
So-
about flooring in
Yeah,
here?
carpet.
The carpet drives me crazy.
Okay, so we're gonna update the flooring. Same flooring with the rest of the house. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It would be great to have some sort of feature on a wall
Yeah,
or
right here.
something
Wall.
that's just like a little bit more.
Something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right, so the plan for the bedroom is to take out the carpet and really keep the flooring consistent with the rest of the house. We'll paint, maybe create a feature wall behind the bed, and then of course, refresh the fireplace to create something a little more modern.
So this is kind of the heart of our home because we love to entertain.
It's huge. This is
Yeah.
It
great.
is.
Yeah. So do you like the way that there's the two levels of the island?
It functions well because we'll do sometimes like a buffet when we have
Sure.
people over. But
Like
yeah, I
this.
mean, we just love the fact that there's so much unobstructed space to work.
Sure.
And I also feel like there's a huge opportunity missed with all of this empty space above the cabinets
Yeah.
where you could have more
100%.
storage.
100%.
What would you like to see in here?
Yeah.
What colors? What style?
So we like gold, we like black, to really
Yeah.
have that luxury feel, that stand out.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Okay. So basically, the plan for the kitchen is to make this a little bit more luxurious and elegant, update all the cabinetry, the countertops, the appliances. We'll keep the layout of the island, create a nice focal point with the range hood, elevating the whole space.
I think it's gonna totally change
Yeah.
like, the whole feel of the house.
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so the plan for the living room, first of all, update the flooring. It's gonna be consistent with the rest of the house. We'll update this fireplace, modernize it, make it the focal point of the space.
Yeah.
And we'll paint, update lighting, and really just refresh the space.
I'm so excited.
Super excited.
Yeah, this is gonna be great.
Okay. Yeah, just keep. Okay. Okay. You ready? 1,
Back up, back up.
2, 3. Wait, Chris? Okay, you got it, Chris?
Good job.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. All right, good. That's one out. All right. A few more and we've got it. The demo is done, and we now have to figure out, well, literally what we're gonna put in these giant spaces.
So this is the entry, foyer, dance room, ballroom. Lori and Deshawn told us they really like Art Deco style. We're gonna do a lot of amazing Art Deco moments. There's symmetry, there's a lot of layers, so.
Very detailed.
Very detailed, very decadent.
Yes.
Art decadent, if you will.
Coming together, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks really good. Everyone's coming in so we can get these cabinets installed quickly. We gave them so much more storage than what they ever had. I really think this is a solution that they're gonna love. Yeah, we got room.
The main bathroom here at the Powerhouse has completely transformed. Everything looks good. Now we're just bringing in the vanities. I feel like this bathroom is really close.
Woo! A lot of cabinetry.
The shower's tiled, the floor tiles
Yeah, it looks
in,
good.
everything looks good. Is this not gorgeous? It's very luxurious. She's gonna love it.
We're in business with this. I
Yeah.
mean, it's all great. Everything is on order that we need. We're almost there, almost there. Looks good.
Yeah.
Put some sheetrock up here and get her done.
The fireplace will be the last touch in here. We have the accent wall. Once that gets painted, it's gonna be amazing. And then in the main bathroom, we're gonna go high gloss on the cabinetry. Like a guy who wears a bow tie needs high gloss paint, you know what I mean? Paint and I think cabinet hardware both go a long way for really little spend. So you
Yeah.
can make your dollar stretch a long way.
All right, Matt, you ready?
Everything looks good. Now we're just bringing in the new fireplace in the living room. Before, it was just a really large blank slate. And
Yep.
now with this trim on the mirror, it actually looks intentional. It works with this house and it looks really, really good. I love this kitchen. I mean, painting that kitchen all black just is so bold and sophisticated in there. And I found the perfect light fixture so that it looks more modern. The island was tough because they loved their old island. So I hope they love this island.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
I mean, this island, it's beautiful. It's super functional. And it's got some of the look of their original island. Appliances are here.
It's all about glamour, sophistication, drama.
Deshawn and Lori are gonna walk into that kitchen, be like, bam.
We're here at Deshawn and Lori's house. This is the final day. They're gonna be here any minute, so
Yep.
we have to get all of the last minute details out, get the house perfect for them to come and see it for the first time. I'm nervous about the kitchen. I'm nervous about the
No
island.
way, it's awesome. I think we put the money in the most important places that really
Made the biggest impact.
undate this house, right? Like the kitchens, the
Update.
bathroom.
Not undate.
Undate. Take
update.
away the date that it was made to
Update.
update it to the new date that it is.
Undate.
Undate it.
So much more. Oh, so good. Oh, you're beautiful. How are you guys?
Good, how are y'all?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to look. Wow. Gosh, look at the landscape.
Wow. Good.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, you got your flag tie.
Oh, I like that. That's amazing.
Okay, so this house, first of all, it's huge, right? We all know that. So we wanted to make sure we were looking at, you know, the whole budget for the whole project. How do we make the biggest impact? And when it comes to the exterior, it was right here.
Oh, wow. Looks so good.
So we actually squared off these columns. There's no grooves.
Looks so good.
It gives it just cleaner, more modern. We added the skim coat to the ceiling in here of wood to add a little bit of warmth. And then, of course, the biggest change is the new front door.
I love that front door.
Isn't it amazing?
Oh, it's so elegant and
Yes.
so beautiful.
Felt a little bit dated, so we
For sure.
really wanted everything to be modern.
Love it.
Okay, we had a lot to see inside. You ready?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
all right,
for
let's go.
sure.
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, this floor. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where we are right now. Oh, I love that. Oh,
Isn't that
wow.
beautiful? Do you notice what
I
it is?
see the dancing. Yes.
Yes.
It's perfect.
Isn't it beautiful?
I mean, we have our own piece of art.
I know, the two of you. It's the two of you.
Love it.
We wanted everything in here to feel like a really luxurious hotel. And we wanted this to be a place where you feel very pampered, because that's what you need when you come home.
That's right.
And then Dave built this table for you. So this is out of walnut
Yeah, so-
table.
Wow.
Something unique and different.
The
and
curves.
Totally.
Okay. Go see y'all's room.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
after you.
follow you guys.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. You guys just
So
like
good.
nailed it.
You like it?
Yes,
Oh.
we love it.
Yes.
Love it.
Like,
love it. Love
yes.
it. It's wonderful.
It's so grown and sexy.
Yes, it is. And so Dave and the guys built this feature wall, kind of leaning into that Art Deco feel. And this is a big room, so
Yes.
we wanted something that kind of
Yeah.
draws your eye, gives you
Yeah.
some texture, a little bit funky.
Yes.
And then, of course, the biggest change was the fireplace. That fireplace
Love
was
that.
so dated.
Yes.
This is a nice, beautiful focal point for you
Yeah,
guys. So
it
we wanted to
definitely
update it. We took off that big stucco surround,
Yeah.
modernized it so it's nice, clean lines.
Looks
it,
like
love
it
it.
belongs here now.
Yes.
It's so great.
Yes.
This room, I mean, it didn't need a ton. The real change, I think, happened in the bathroom.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you got to
Go
go
check
check
it
that out.
I can't wait.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
MG.
Oh. What?
This is amazing.
Wow. Look at that shower.
It's gigantic.
It's gigantic.
It's awesome.
We actually brought out just a couple feet the wing walls so we could have a place for storage.
I love this tile.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, wow.
Very luxurious.
And it's not glass block.
Yeah,
Yay!
it's,
It's
oh, wow.
really good.
I did not expect this, and I am blown away with what that looks
really-
like. I can definitely see some really relaxing evenings
Yes.
in my future
You can
with
eat
that
in that
bathtub.
tub. Look at that. You got a little thing here.
And I went with a high gloss finish because it, again, feels very high end and very luxurious.
I love that it's dark too.
Yes. Love it.
Okay,
So great.
we're not done yet.
I know, most
We have
important space, the
The
kitchen.
most important space left.
Okay. All right. Why was I nervous? Amazing.
Oh, good, yay. Oh, okay, I was really nervous about this, so good, okay.
No, this is great.
Gosh. Wow. I mean, it feels so much bigger in
Doesn't
here.
it?
Yeah. It does feel really.
Cabinets all the way to the
Nice.
ceiling. It went all black.
It's
Love the
beautiful.
black.
It's beautiful.
And I love the reading.
Yes. So you guys were, like, there was this little pinch point right
Yes,
here.
there was.
Wow.
That now is not there. So this is just like a very sophisticated, gorgeous kitchen.
It's amazing.
Oh,
it
gosh.
really is
I'm
great.
so glad you guys love it.
I love it.
So I know you guys love to host and entertain, so I picture
Right.
you know, setting up a buffet, cooking in here, people dancing in the dance room. This is now the perfect house for entertaining.
Wow.
The space is here, we just had to freshen everything up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make it y'all's
More than
personality.
impression.
Make it your personality.
We had to put a bow tie on it.
Thank you.
There you go. Perfect. I love it.
So we redid this entire surround so that it has those clean lines again. And this frame has that Art Deco feel to it, which I love.
really
A really beautiful focal point. And before, it kind of felt like a little bit of an eyesore.
I just love the view from here, looking back through this whole space.
You can have so many people in here.
Yeah.
We'll test it out.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let you know.
There you go.
Lori and Deshawn liked the opportunity that the house held. They felt
Yeah.
like it had good potential and bones, but it didn't feel like them. It was just
Yep.
a blank slate. And now it has so much personality, and I think they're ready to just get in this place,
Yep.
open up the doors, invite all their friends over, and enjoy it.
Yep.
It feels like our home now.
Oh, well,
You
we
guys-
are excited for you guys. Let us know when the first party is.
Yes.
Here.
Please do.
Definitely.
Enjoy your new home.